Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon. What up, son of Wall Street? Good afternoon. Watching gold here, seeing if, obviously we're in a short here as well. Seeing if we get a little pullback here on gold. Maybe get an opportunity to enter. See if we get a little pullback. Look for Nasdaq to kind of run a little bit lower. Retest that 300 level there. Not looking for anything too crazy. What up, Eric? I'll place a buy level, a buy signal on gold or buy order. 5197.3 aggressive buy order. One micro. Let me see here. Pull up a couple of other things. Oh, Nvidia did me dirty earlier. Did me so dirty. That's all right. Did me dirty. Doing good, son of Wall Street. Doing good. Let's see. What up, Ronnie? Good evening. Coper in the house. Oh, we need to get... Gold does not look like it wants to come back down, huh? Doesn't look like it wants to. pull my gold chart over here. I'm not, yeah, gold. What a Punisher. There are some issues with YouTube today, guys. So if you're not seeing your comments show up and stuff like that, it's a YouTube issue. They've acknowledged they're working on it. What up, Helms crew? Adam. I'm trying to see what I want to do on gold here. Do I want to go one ledge higher? It's 4 points higher than my current entry. Probably going to wait and see here. See if we get a retest of the 300 level here. Get us out for a nice 16-point winner. But yeah, it did me dirty. As soon as I closed my stream, closed it down, it did me dirty there. All right, about to maybe tag me. Not quite. Come on. Get down there, bro. Get down there, bro. Good evening option. Come on. What's she doing? What's it doing here? It's playing with my emotions. Playing with my mind. Good evening, dude monkey. Just kind of seeing what's going on here. Just trying to collect a little $30. There we go. We'll take it. was trying to see if I get tagged in over here on gold. Thinking about doing a little backdoor action here on gold. We'll see. What up, Punisher? Come on, come on, come on. Got a big gap on the Nasdaq up here. 60 points. Not bad. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Just notice my time on Tradeovate is wrong. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. Hey, 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 Zach. Hey, hey, hey. So we made $31 on that trade, or $30 after fees. What up, Larry? What you doing, Gold? What you doing, bro? All right, I might get tagged in here on gold at the back door, 5205.5. Zach, I don't use TradeZella, but I don't hate it. I think it's a nifty tool. I think it's a nifty tool. Little drop on ES, yeah, not much. A few points. Yeah, look for long on gold, Helms. I'll pull it over if I get tagged in. Gold's just golding again. Yeah, it didn't quite tag me in where I wanted to, but I got a level at 5197.3. $57.97.3. 51.97. Excuse me, guys. Woo. A little burpee. Your hands off water fasting? Nothing wrong with that. I mean, it is moving at least a little bit, right? We opened up. We pushed down 146 points. You don't care. You said it will pump. And after it dumps once in a lifetime, I was right. Nice, Doctito. Yeah, I don't know, Adam. I haven't heard anything. Beefaroni. I ran beefaroni. How many times a day do I stream? 3 typically. Well, 2 to 3. I'm on My Fun to TV from 11:30 to 12:30 every day, a.m. Eastern. And I am on my own stream from 9:15 to 11:15 a.m. Eastern. And then I'm on here at night a lot of times. Let's go. Tagged into the long on gold. Go! I'm tagged into the long here, but I don't know if I'm in love with it. I got a bad feel there. Really bad feel. I might get out of this gold long. I don't know. Why am I putting the stop over? I mean, I don't know why I'm putting the stop in. I really don't. I think because I'm from a bad spot. Trading for keeps, not wrong. That was annoying. Very annoying. Come on, go. It's all right. Bad entry there. I don't like my entry there on gold. I didn't like that one. What up, Ash? How's it going? The inversion looks good. I mean, I don't know. It's the thing is, we ran a lot of the liquidity to the upside, most all of it. And we did leave a lot of interest lower at that 25,000 level. We're still 300 points away. So we shall see. We shall see. Yeah, I think gold's about to go. Probably should have stayed in there. I didn't trust it, though. If you don't trust it, better just to get out. I don't know. We're kind of consolidating here on the NQ. I mean, like I said, we got a lot of interest lower. If we're kind of looking at today's range, I mean, where could we? I mean, we're back to 50% of the range, technically. Technically. That's where it's at, technically. We got moving this thing. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, man, I was so mad about that. I mean, it was tilting. It was tilting. Very tilting. Maybe a trap for the bulls. I don't know. Technologia. All your signals to go long keep failing. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know. So I got a resting order down there at 5197.3 for now on gold. I'm pretty comfortable with that order. Could technically put one up at 5200 area as well, but Those two ledges are right next to each other. 5199.3. That's it, Adam. I couldn't think of it. I couldn't do it correctly. I was tripping over my own tongue. If you guys are new here, hit the like button. Subscribe. Even if you're not new, you can hit the like button. Oh, I forgot. I don't know why I did that. I meant to start a vertical stream tonight, too. I forgot all about that. I forgot. There goes gold. There would have been my 5 points. Darn it. Darn it. Anybody thinking about shorting gold? Shorting gold. Ha ha. Shouldn't do that, huh? I'll do this. What up, Chris? Sherry said, hell yes. Short and gold. Water fasting, you can't trade gold on Apex anymore right now. They have temporarily disabled it. You temporarily do not have permission to trade gold. Oh, hello. There we go, Sherry. I was like, I didn't know what you were saying there. You can see I longed here, but the problem is I kind of FOMO'd into that trade because the entry was here at 03.2 and it technically pushed up to 08.8, which is already 5 points. So like I panicked out, moved the stop to break even, and then it kind of pulled back and then went anyway. So I went to 11.1 and I was long from 5.7. So actually would not have hit 5 on mine anyway. But anyways, I got order down here at this new ledge. And I got one just below that too. 1 micro on each. So Apex trading for keeps. Doing good into the futures. Took one winner on the Nasdaq already. And now we're in this gold trade now. No, Lucid's good. You can trade Lucid on it. For you. Come on, gold. Don't let me down now, gold. Don't let me down now, gold. Don't let me down now, gold. You are a beautiful thing, gold. What up, sovereignty? You are a wonderful metal, gold. You are my favorite metal. Silver doesn't stand a chance next to you. You're so much more beautiful than silver. So much more beautiful. Trying to sweet talk it. What up, Miss K? New 5-minute candle here. We do have an outside bar there too on gold. The sweet talking, it's not working so much. What up, JJ? I'm going to be aggressive here with this ad. I really shouldn't add here, let's be honest. These entries are awfully close to each other, but got an ad at 5197.3. Funny thing is, I was talking about the gold short up there. There was a ledge up top there that would technically have been a short, but I didn't take it. What up, trading for keeps? Oh, I think I already said hey to you, but it's all good. Look at that, 9090 subscribers. 9090. I gotta learn to be more patient on these gold trades. I really do. Gotta learn to be more patient. Let's see if we can get this fixed up here. Oh, come on. Bounce it, gold. Bounce it, bro. Bounce that shite. What up? Don't throw rocks. Joom here. There we go. A little better. I mean, we're holding right here, which is a great sign, but like, bounce it. Give me my 5 freaking points. I've talked sweet to you. I've rubbed your back. All the things. Give it up to me. Give me the profits. All right, we got tagged in on our aggressive ad. Oh, goodness. I'm not in love with the fact that we're coming up on a new 15-minute candle here, but I'm joining on the eval. What happened? Oh my goodness, come on. Come on. Rip it up. At the VWAP over here, 270s on the Nasdaq. I guess I shortchanged myself a little bit over there on the Nasdaq. I've really got to develop some patience on gold, guys. I do not have patience on the gold. Yeah, still got 3 minutes left on this candle. Coach Fred. Jay Dunn here. I think I'm going to kill this trade, guys. Or maybe at least reduce risk. Go back down to 1. I'm telling you guys, I don't have patience when it comes to this. I don't know why. I have no patience. Zero patience, sir. The thing is, like, I know these trades are going to work. Like, I know it's going to work most of the time. So I don't know why I'm not trusting it. Yeah, I don't know why I'm like that, though. Show the ATM strategy. It differs. It differs for every open. The numbers differ. I just got filled over there on the other one. Just got filled on the eval play. This would have been a $100 play had I not paper handed the shit. I'm telling you guys, like, I don't know why I'm like that with this. I have no idea. I don't know. But yeah, Chris, if you can join me in the morning, I set it up in front of everybody. I don't have my Ninja chart open. I'm happy to show you. But effectively, all I'm doing is, depends on the size, right? Like this morning, we took 6 micros. So I took 5 off at 2R. And then I went break even on the runner. And I had it trail 10 points behind price, you know. So But I do trade it live in front of you. Guys, I'm so frustrated with myself. Like I don't know why I get like that. It's frustrating. Hopefully I'm not the only one who experiences that kind of stuff. Like it's just I know it should work. I'm now 31. Well, I'm not counting this break-even trade, even though I could. But now 31 for 31 on gold over the last few weeks. And I'm still not trusting it. Now, I will say this. This is a pro account. This is a funded account. So that probably is playing a little bit into that, and I just got it today. We're working on this 150K here. We're up 495. I took that with a mini on the 150K. So where are we at on that? I don't think I could see it. I was going to try to see where we're at. As far as overall profit, $153,700. So frustrated that I took that off. I mean, I'm still up $66 or whatever it is. It's not, it's not the end of the world, but fear of losing, cutting winners early and letting losses go. Yeah. Exactly, trading for keeps. What up, happy kids? Oh. Futures trader in the house. $1 billion. Oh. I'm just telling you guys, like this gold, like how it respects these levels in the Asia session, like it's just crazy. Like we created this swing here. It's not really a swing. This isn't really, but it's still a ledge. And it pushed down and bounced right out of there and then created another. And so I bought this one. And then I bought that one again. So but yeah, just looking for 5 points there. We're almost halfway there on that other eval. Looks like over here on NQ we ran this obvious wick there. Did we run it? Looks like we ran it. All right, guys, I'm going to move gold over. And if we come close to another entry, we will move it back. Actually, to the tick. So we double bottomed there. This is kind of an interesting scenario. I kind of like a long here. What prop firm has 1 day to pass? Bulenox. My Funded Futures Pro account. Lucid Pro account. Tradeify Select account. Or either Growth. It's either Growth or Select. I think it might be Select. Or it could be Growth. Yeah, it is Growth. No. Let's see here. That's all I can think of off the top of my head. What up, Timbo? Uh, I said My Funded Futures Pro account. Happy kids. Yeah, it has a 1 day to pass add-on. That's so it's kind of funny. They call it a free add-on, but if you use the add-on, you only get 20% off instead of 30%. So is it really free? Open to interpretation, I guess. I just found that out today. I didn't even know that the discount was less. So you guys see, look, I got my Go Gamble hat on. I got it in. Yeah, nothing in life is free. Very true. I'm thinking about longing here, guys. I think this wick up here at 343 is a nice target. A nice target. I'm going to do it. I'm going to wait for a little pullback here. Let's get a little pullback here if we can. And then we're going to long it. I do expect a little bit of a pullback, so I'm not going to buy this breakout here. Because if I buy it here, you know it's just going to pull back anyway, so. So something about like that. Man, my. So we created another ledge. I don't know if I want to buy that again, though, over here on gold. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, guys. We got 66 viewers, 41 likes. Help me out on the likes.
Riding in the car to work and I'm trying.
Are we going to get the pullback to tag us in? What do you guys think? I think so. Nice, Futures Trader. Thank you. I appreciate. I'm not sure what accent that is, but yeah, we'll go with it. Guys, if you don't see your comment in the chat or even you entering the giveaway, if you don't see a response from Streamlabs, something's going on with YouTube tonight or today actually. They're aware of it, looking into it. So see why I didn't buy that? A little bit of a slow moving night, BK. Yeah. Although we went like 200 points, BK. Come on now. Tag me in. Tag me in, bro. Didn't even retest 300 yet, so I mean, I expect it to. We're tooling around soft lost pennies. I was gonna say soft penny. Oh, come on. Give me a little FOMO here. I might have to hit the button. I know as soon as I hit the button, it'll pull back. It's buffering on your end, my stream. Looks good on my end. Buffering. Some movement up tomorrow, maybe, Chris. I mean, we're not really getting up movement tonight, so. All right, I'm going to bite. Am I? I guess. That second, but it didn't quite give me the entry I wanted, but that second push into there is probably going to get through. Matty Matt didn't take us to all-time high. Not quite. About 1,000 points off or something. 1,100. I don't even know exactly. I think. This should start to move quickly here in the next 5 minutes, I believe. Quickly relative to the time of night, right? Keep that in mind. I kind of wanted to add one here. I wanted to add one, but we're going to stick with the one. I think if ES gets back above 53 here, we're really going to get some speed. If it can. Oh, that thing's going to be rude now, huh? Does My Funded Futures free drawing account have an activation fee? No, water fasting. No accounts have an activation fee from My Funded Futures. Even the free accounts don't. Guys, we are giving away a pretty nice account tonight. Let's see how many people are in the giveaway. We got 71 viewers, and we only got 41 people in the giveaway. I'll tell you what account we're giving away. We're giving away a 50K Pro account from Lucid. Lucid 50K Pro. That's what we're giving away. I reached out to Lucid today, and they said, sure. Give some away. So here we go. Mr. Zone will take it. Get in there then. Can you guys tell what song is playing just by my whistling? Pretty bad, huh?
I got a girl crush.
There you go. That's the song. You could use a win manifesting your favorite firm. Let's go. I don't know if I want to buy this new ledge on gold again. Do I? I don't know, man. I don't know. Would be nice to get to 9,100 subs, though. Let's try to make that happen, too. So call your mama, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, your aunt, your spouse, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your lover. I don't know, your dog, your cat, your goldfish. Get them all in there. I got to start listening to all this Luke Combs music because we're going to Luke Combs concert in Las Vegas in 3 weeks. I got to brush up on my Luke Combs music so that I can, so I can get my singing voice ready for the concert. I'm sure my daughters are going to love that. They're going to love that. They're going to be like, shut up. Well, we're definitely not popping through this level like I thought we might. Holding us down. I am going to go to the Sphere. We're going to see some sort of like Wizard of Oz thing. Like Dorothy or something like that. We're going to go to the O show. Circus Lake O show, and then we're going to go to the Grand Canyon. So we fly out on Wednesday. Thursday we're going to the Grand Canyon. Friday we're going to do the Sphere early in the day, and then the O show at night. Saturday Luke Combs concert. Sunday fly back home. And then we'll do Vegas things in between there. The kids will miss a couple of days of school, but it's all right. I left the game. We were winning 7-4, and we lost. That's crazy. Or actually, we were in the 6th inning, 7-4, and they only play 7. Zip line on Fremont Street. Yeah, we could do that too. We'll probably ride the coaster on New York, New York. Maybe the zip line. A few other things, We're going to zip line. We're going to do zip line at the Grand Canyon. My kid wasn't playing Helms. He's actually in Washington D.C. right now on a trip. But this is the varsity team. He plays on JV. We just went to the varsity game just to go. some of the kids off the JV play on the varsity too, so we just kind of went to watch. But yeah, if he was playing, I probably would have stayed. Oh, yeah, why not? Trading for keeps, why not? I mean, if any of you are going to be in the Vegas area, probably Friday, maybe probably Saturday, midday Saturday. I'll be meeting up with a couple of people. So on the 21st. My daughter's scared of heights, so she's not sure. She's 14. She's not sure she wants to do the zip line or not, but it's not really an option, right? Because you start up here and then you zip line like a couple of miles away or whatever it is to another location. So it's like, if you don't do it, then like really none of us can really do it. I guess one of us could stay back behind with her, but hopefully she does it. Good old Vegas casinos. Gotta love it. We were going to go see another show too, but I don't know. It's kind of a lot to kind of squeeze in. Don't really want to have to do, don't want to be rushed. You're all about the buffet. Yeah, I like the buffet at the Wynn. I think that's where it was. Might have been I don't know. Might have been at the Encore. I don't remember. I mean, the Encore and Wynn are they're the same, but you know what I'm saying. It's been a couple of years since we've been. I think around 3 years since I've been. Get some food. Trade for keeps. I'm not hungry at all. I already ate 2 sandwiches for dinner. Yeah, got to get some walking shoes, Kenny. For sure, got to take those with us because there'll be a lot of walking. Yeah, Coach Fred, it's just not going yet. I do think it goes, though. As we're approaching the top of the hour here, I think it goes. It's so funny because, like, this time of night, one thing I've noticed is that Nasdaq likes to build up liquidity. A lot of times, trend line liquidity. And it will run it at the top of the hour. Like, I don't know, it's just something I've noticed since I've been trading this. Vegas, $2 buffet now, it's like 19 bucks. I'm long. I'm long, Coach Fred. $2 buffet's nice. Crab legs, steak, prime rib, bread and shrimp. Oh, Euro too? Okay. No, I'm not shorting at the EMA, though. The reason why I didn't want to is because ES is already above VWAP. Like you said, that is V-shaped looking. And we have this low resistance liquidity here. It's not perfect, but it is here. And price can run right. This is an obvious wick up here, right? So price can run back up through there pretty quickly if it wants to. Or it could be kind of a dick and not. I mean, this 325 level is actually where I wanted to take profit. Because you do have this wick inside a fair value gap right there. So that's where I will go stop to break even. We don't really know what's going to happen in this gap here. So I'll go stop to break even at 325. That's why I wanted to get in at 300. Really, I wanted to get in. But just didn't get enough pullback to get in there. Or we could just take 14 points at 325. We could just do that. That put us at $50 on the night. Yeah, that seems reasonable. That seems reasonable. Yeah, exactly, Coach Fred. Yeah, smacked right into that 53 and rejected. Rude. Rude. I'll add at 300 if it pulls back. Gold's just kind of grinding back up here. Don't throw rocks. The weather today is about 60 degrees, but man, 2 days ago it was 25 degrees with a 25-mile-per-hour wind. Calder Mohammed, this is an evaluation. Trader's Lunch eval. The gold trade that I'm taking, this is a funded account. Same there in North Carolina. Yeah, so it's like freezing one day and then nice the next. Typical Georgia weather. You know, February, March in Georgia, you really don't know what you're going to get when it comes to the weather at all. All over the map. Not loving this rejection. Yeah, it's supposed to rain here like all weekend. Who else is eating nachos? Not me, Jim. I saw some nachos at the game. I did not get to eat the nachos. So I saw some nachos be devoured by Jules. She was like, they gave me too much. They gave me a lot of cheese. I'm like, is that a bad thing? I mean, if you eat nachos, you want the cheese, right? All right, here's the question. Do we take another trade on gold? I don't know. I think I will, but I'm going to take it on eval. No more Asia trading, but your reversal setup just paid more than 35 points. Nice. Follow your rules, though. If that's your rule, then stick to it. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, did I take those orders off on the other account, though? Let me check. Nope. Good thing I went back and checked. Cheese is the key to Jim's heart. Apex sends me the email about violations and required the max pay of $2K. I just logged in to see I can request a payout of $1,700. Moses, unfortunately, You will be denied if you request the 1700. So while you're welcome to do it, it will be denied. They are making people hit max payout after a rule violation. So if you're at 1700, that just means you're $300 away, right? I mean, what I might suggest doing is maybe request on one account, see if it's approved, and if it is approved, then request on the other 9. But I have a feeling based on everything I know that it's going to be denied. So, but it's up to you. So effectively, you're $300 away. So it's up to you. Do you want to request? It take them a week to deny you, and then you have to trade to make the $300. Request again. Wait another, because actually, you think about it. Once you're denied, you have to trade 8 more days, right? So think about that. Once you request and you're denied, you got to trade 8 more days. So that's why I suggest if you're going to request, just request one account. While you're waiting on that, maybe make the $300 on the other accounts. Because you don't want to request, get denied, and then have to trade for 8 more days, in my opinion. So what I would do is just do one account, see how it goes. If it's approved, then you can go ahead and request on the others. It's up to you. It would just suck to request on all 10, get denied, and have to trade 8 more days. So, yeah, no worries. Oof. Man, gold's coming back into my level, guys. I don't know. I don't know. What do we do? Nasdaq's being a little tricky. I don't know whether I want to take this trade on gold or not here. Do have a new 5-minute candle here in what, a minute and 20 seconds on gold. What up, Lucky Mon? Guys, we're 8 subscribers away from that 9,100 target. Let's do it. Oh. My injury plan. I don't know what I'm going to do on gold. Don't know what I'm going to do there. Yeah, design for sure. That's the way it goes, right? Typical. Results may vary. Mm-hmm. See if we can get a candle close back above 305, 310 area on the NQ here. On the 5-minute chart would be nice. ES back to the VWAP, trying to fight back above it. Not doing it so far. All right. I see you, Nasdaq. Let's go, Coach Fred. Always good feeling to get back to green. Nvidia looking like a dump. Kinda. Let me check something. Ask the Joom 8 ball. I got to shake it up right quick. Hold on. Tory trade stand line. Smack it. I don't know if I should just get into exit mode here. Maybe that's what I should be doing. Potentially. Guys, hit that like button for me. 95 viewers, 67 likes. Might have to try to just get in to work myself out of this mode. All right, I got to make a decision on gold here. It's coming back into my level. I think I am going to buy it. Oof. Bottom of the range here on gold. Exactly, Darrell. Darrell, Path to Live. Sounds like an alt account. I could only imagine whose alt account that could be. You could give me 3 guesses, but I probably only need 1. I could probably hit 3 other alts with the 3 guesses. Anybody else got a guess? Come on, gold. Tag me in. Don't do me dirty. I mean, if you're going to tag me in, tag me in. Close my eyes. I'm not looking. Only covered one eye. Might be the same as Darrell's nutsack. Just thinking out loud. While you're licking your lips design. Oh, come on, gold. You dirty SOB. You guys see that? That's where I get a little iffy with it, because like it tested it. So now I wish I came with that one nutsack. Trading for keeps. I was waiting for my gold trade to get tagged in. You see what it did? Like, you see how fast that moved when I'm not in the trade? And then when I'm in the trade, it's like, let's just dick around for 17 minutes. That's rude. Man, come on. And the thing is, I even had that a tick or two above the shelf, really. I mean, now I probably should move it down a little bit. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys and gals. We're giving away a 50K Pro account from Lucid tonight. What's an alt account? It's an account that's also yours, but it's not your main account. That's all. So you got more than one YouTube account. All right, well, I thought we were going to get some action on gold. Gold had other plans. Squeeze it. Come on, man. Get through the VWAP. You already tested that thing a couple of times. Get through there already. I like the Flex Ash, but I didn't get to choose. The only thing about the Pro that I don't like, if I'm being honest, is it has a daily loss limit. $1,250. Once on 0 Day J's stream, Darrell and Tori won back-to-back. Dang! That's crazy, Coach Fred. And then I bet it's because Darrell was in Jay's pool, right? He spends time in his pool, so Jay shows favoritism towards Darrell. He shows favoritism. I'm telling you, that's what happens. The Speedo, yes, can't forget the Speedo portion of it. He's the pool boy and the boyfriend. Let's go. So confirmed, Jay likes men. That's what you're saying. I mean, I know he has male friends. Friends, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. You're not sure that how the SS trailing drawdown can dock in Vegas? Well, it's dry in Vegas. All right, let me see if I can see the kids in this photo. All right, I found one. Where's the other one? Okay, found the other one. They're at the Capitol. It's funny, they're on opposite sides of the picture. Go figure. What up, Z White? Come on, Nasdaq. Just go already. What are we doing? Yeah, you know, they don't hang out with each other. She probably would before he would. He'd be like, leave me alone, bro. Trying to see if we can get this push. Yes, unable to hold the VWAP there. Man, should I just be looking to exit this? I don't know. I mean, I think the 25 level is a good level to target, but we are struggling here to make a new high. This might be the Nasdaq saying, we'll give you a chance to get out here. All right, now gold's pulling back into that area again. All right, this is just goofy. Now it created a new swing. Do I move this up or not? That's 3 points. Bundle of the EMAs and a pivot point are above. Not enough power to pass? Yeah, could be. Curious on gold here. Similar situation that I was in earlier in a funded account, though not an eval. Cambo from 480, they are running behind. They're doing some internal work, and so their payout approvals are a bit delayed. Taking, in some cases, up to a week for approval, from what I hear. Anyways, that's the word on the street, all right? Been waiting about a week? Yeah. All right, I might be tagged in here on gold. Let me see. Not yet. Oh, you might be kidding me. Gold is moving. What up, Poco? Poco requested on the 18th and just got approved today. You got to be kidding me, guys. I tried to come in the back door. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. All right, I guess maybe I should have exited on Nasdaq. I don't know. Come on, Bolt. Gold, bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce that thing. See, earlier when it missed me by like 3 ticks, it bounced right away. It was like in and I mean like it was like almost instant. And now that I'm in, you know? It's like, oh, Methodical's in now. Let's dick around. Exactly, design. See this right here where it went down, missed me by like 3 ticks. Ripped right back up. Created a new ledge, so I got in here on this ledge. I do have the ad down here, but I did move the ad down to the wick. Yeah. The problem, Poco, is sometimes it doesn't offer that much. NVIDIA, a little turd today, yeah. So far. I don't even know if I want to get this ad in here. Probably not. I'm going to take that ad off there. Fear not ye, for thou only goeseth up. Per the Wendy's dumpster often visitor, Mr. Design Knob. Prepare the offerings. We got 9:30 coming up here, right? In about a minute. Anything happen at 9:30? I don't know. Here's a good song. He will arrive at 9:30. Uh-oh. Maybe I shouldn't be in the position. Yeah, fish lips. Oh no. Yeah, water fasting. It's not cooperating so far. Little Jamie Johnson. Yep, yep, yep. Oh my goodness. Come on, rip it. Rip it up. I think Jamie Johnson looks a lot different nowadays, right? Than he does in this video. What up, Raul? Well, stop loss Doc Tito is down there at 51833. This is called a negative R trade. Globex back to the turdness. I mean, it's moving. Just, you know. Somewhere between Jennings and Jones, yeah. Come on, gold and Nasdaq. Let's rip it. Take us to the moon. Yes, trying to push. That's the wrong way, gold. It's the wrong way. Trump X is coming in 5 minutes, is it? Moving like a turd on a peanut butter slip and slide. I might close the Nasdaq trade if it gets back in the green here. I'm going to let the gold trade play, I guess. I'm not loving how it looks. Yes, Sinister, exactly. We don't know which way it's going. We don't know. Come on, gold and Nasdaq in tandem. All together now. Squeeze to the moon. You don't even really got to go to the moon. Go 5 points. Just go 5 points. Uncertain. I don't know. I don't know. Well, is this going to be the first one that gets us? Might get us. Oh, no. Neither gold or Nasdaq is listing. Kind of rude. Poker, I'm in micros on Nasdaq and a mini on gold. Want 150K, take private trader account on gold. Mm-mm-mm. If we lose that 90 level on gold, I feel like I'm probably going to get stopped out. JJ, so if you didn't watch the earnings today, it was quite dirty. So the earnings were supposed to come out at 4:20. The market didn't move until 4:31-ish. And unfortunately, I had taken my orders off the screen. Then I saw it pump and it pulled back. So I was like, oh, let me just jump in. So I jumped in on the evals and it blew those right away. And then I jumped in on the funded account, Take Private Trader, and made 775 and just closed it. So you know, gold should be bouncing from that 15-minute IFEG. It's okay. I mean, like, it's not a horrible result. It's fine. But had I left the orders where they were, we would have passed every account and we would have made almost $3,500 on our TPT Pro. You know. Oh. Yeah, it was dirty today, just coming out late. It was dirty. The market didn't move. Well, actually, the earnings came out. The market just didn't move. Didn't do anything. It's crazy. I have literally never seen it do that. Move my stop up here because it's kind of the idea is if we get back below this wick, it's not good. No, Poco, I don't do that. I typically just take the same size. Because M&Q, unless the copier would have messed up, it would have passed. Only if we would have had a copier issue, which we might have, you never know, then it would have passed. It went 45 points. I needed less than 20. 45 points above my entry. So I would have captured 35 points with my trail stop or somewhere in there. He was playing the low volatility, thinking the earnings were done, and accidentally caught 45 points. Dang, with 4 minis. Oh, come on. Gold's not playing fair tonight. I'm going to eat the loss there. Going to be down about 500, well, 390. Does it have to be the first day or any day? Any day, JJ. Any day. Get over there. Everything disappeared. Never really moved on. Yeah, Jay, you can pass at any time. There's no real time limit on that. Yeah, no worries. In the eval, there's really no rules. I trade one, Keith. I took 3 wins, I think. They have not taked. You can still trade it on Lucid, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I assume Trade Day is still allowing it as well. What up, Dusty? Welcome in. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Does evals renew on Apex? Yes. They do. So you want to pass them within the 30 days or get rid of them. No, I don't use heat map. I don't see anything wrong with it. I just don't use it. I'm going to be a little annoyed here if gold bounces. I'm going to be a bit annoyed. That would just kind of be rude. Roa, yeah, they're running about a week for approvals. How do you get rid of them? You got to cancel them on the dashboard. It's not hard to do. Yeah, 9100. Let's go. Sneak in the back door. That's right. I might. Yeah, last Wednesday. So you should hear something to maybe in the next day or so. I don't use any extra data, Frankie. Just what you see on my screen is what I use. I use some EMAs, a VWAP, pivot points. That's basically it. Look at the payout page. They processed 2 payouts today. That's odd. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I wouldn't be concerned with it. I mean, they've said that they're running a little behind on processing the payout request. Working on some things internally to speed it up. Just send them a message and tell them stop spending time typing up those emails and spend time approving your payouts. Perfect. Oh. I'm giving away a Lucid Pro 50K. That's what we're giving away. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. $9,100, let's go. Well, trying to creep back up here. If ES can get back above the VWAP. Sell limit at 315. I'm already long. I'm already long. See the blue, green, whatever color this is. Craig, Lucid Pro 50K. That's what I'm giving away. New 5-minute candle here in about 20 seconds. See if that takes us to the moon. Yeah, no worries, Tate. Appreciate you. Welcome in. Thank you for subscribing, you the man. Looking for gold to rip it here. I may or may not have re-entered. Hey, back to green on gold. Let's go. I just took it off there for green. Frankie, I typically stay on until 10, so we'll be doing the giveaway in the next probably 10 minutes or so. Yeah, I'm annoyed. I'm telling you guys, like, I pissed myself off with these trades. Like, my stop's 15 points. I moved it up. No reason to move it up there, really. Then just re-entered with 2 minis instead of 1. And just took it off when I saw green. But I make myself mad on these gold trades. Sometimes. All right, closing gold for tonight. All right, what do you guys think? Should it be a shotgun type of night or what? Let me tell you guys the options. Here. We have 110 people in the giveaway currently. We can leave it as it is, or we could restart the giveaway and give you 1 minute to enter. 1 minute. I'm going to start a poll. Those are the options. So if you want the shotgun, you go yes. If you don't want the shotgun, you go no. Simple as that. We'll go with 50 votes. The yes can pop the VWAP here. I should be home free on this trade. Pinky says shotgun. Oh. That tends to be the popular option. There we go. A little movement now. A little movement. Man, it's not even, well, I can't do that, Sinister. That's the way you boot them, is by doing the shotgun. So you do a new, basically it's a new giveaway, and everybody who's not here. Duck race? I don't have the duck race. I don't do the duck race. But I mean, you're more than welcome to squat like a duck, Frankie, and race somebody. I don't know. But yeah, that's effectively what I'm saying there, Sinister, is restart the giveaway. Joom race, now that I can get behind. A little Joom race, we could do that. All right, it's pretty overwhelming there to be a shotgun. So let me set it up. You're going to have 1 minute to enter. Tori trades tan lines. Darrell's nutsack. Darrell's Path to Live. What's the other ones? Coach Fred. You better get them all ready. Oh, goodness. You better get them all ready. Oh, Tori's nutsack too, huh? All right. Wonder if he ever goes in. I don't know if Tori streams, does she? I don't know if she streams. Tori side dude. Oh yeah, I don't know what the other one is. Oh, come on. Get up there. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, you need to subscribe. No, I didn't start yet, Jamie, but I'll tell you guys when we start it. It'll be just a minute. I promise not to catch you off guard or anything like that. I'm not going to catch you off guard. But you better be paying attention. That's all I got to say. You got to be paying attention. It's like a pop quiz. Yeah, for sure. On your marks. Get set. Get ready. Possibly very soon. All right, I'm setting the timer for 2 minutes. And then I'm going to start it. Guys, if you are first time entering the giveaway here, we do something unique when you win. So for those of you who have been here before and you know what it is, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't tell them. Got your opportunity to win a 50K Lucid Pro account. Completely free. Completely free. You could win it tonight. You could sign up for it tonight. And you could blow it tonight. You know, all in one go. Or pass it. Well, I guess you can't pass it. But you know what I mean. I guess you can pass it. Yeah, Trading for Keeps, it started already. The timer. Yeah, I started the timer. But we're not going to do the giveaway until the timer's over. How many ticks to make 1,500? Depends on how many contracts you got. Mopar Lucid is amazing. If you're doing one contract and you want $1,500, you need a bunch of ticks. You need what, 75 points, which would be 300 ticks. Go. You got 44 seconds. $28 seconds. $15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There's the buzzer. Okay, let's pick the winner. Let's make it large. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oops, close entries. Pick winner. Power Pack Tube. Where you at? Power Pack Tube has won. That's a name I don't recognize. Power Pack Tube. Easy Lizzy, that's not you? Yeah. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, Easy Lizzy, it's not you. But maybe next time. I'll do my best. Anybody see Power Pack Tube in the chat? Is he here? He or she. Is he or she here? Power Pack Tube. Is he here? All right. Looks like he's not here. You guys ready for the re-roll? All right. We're going to re-roll in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 seconds, Power Pack Tube. Where you at? Just kidding. We knew you were here. We love it. It's so fun. It's so fun to do that to people. Oh. Just kidding. I don't know why that's so fun. Power Pack Tube. Send me an email. Show me a screenshot of you logged into your YouTube account. So click on the top right-hand corner. Screenshot that showing that you're logged in. Let me pin my email. See, people that are here every night, they knew what was going on. methodicalman@gmail.com. If you could do me, if you send me the email now, I can get you verified and get that account over to you right away. So, heart rate quadruple, breaking out in a cold sweat. Johnny CZ, welcome to the channel. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. I should have pretended to start spinning. Yeah. I can't help it. That's never going to get old, guys. Now, obviously, I don't do that if I recognize the name because I know you're going to know. But I know you're going to know. Come on, get it. Get it. Just for my gold charts over here now. I was going to say just for like max pain, I was going to take a look at gold. Just like I thought. So off my entry, it is now up 7.5 points. Rude. That's rude. It did run that wick. I mean, come on. That was a little bit of a top of the hour push. Guys, I may close this. Stops in. I won't close it, but if I get stopped, I get stopped. Yeah. I mean, that trade was just yanking me around with no end in sight. No end in sight. But yeah, Power Pack, send me that email so I can get you verified. And then I'll get a code over to you. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, if you do want to help support the channel, my coupon code for most prop firms is code MM. E8 Markets and Apex, it is Myth, MYTH. Bulanox, My Funded Futures, Take Private Trader, Trade Day, Tradeify, Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, Lucid, Funded Next, all those, it is code MM. And then the Futures Desk is code MMM. If you want to support the channel. If not, support somebody's channel. That's all that matters. Just as long as you're using someone's code. I don't like this kind of pattern that I'm seeing here. I mean, it's like, you know, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Probably got another lower low coming here. That's why I just exited the trade. We're up $60 on gold, $50 or $69 on the funded account, $30 on this eval. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. This is a pretty good jam.
She says, baby.
And the rain's gonna wash. All right, let me check it. It's better than nothing. All right. What's the last letter or number of your email address? Power Pack, the last letter or number of your email. All right, got you verified. Let me get this code. I'm going to send you this code over right now. And you use this code at checkout for a completely free account. Let me find it. It's going to be not that one. Here we go. All right, I'm going to type the code in chat, and whoever's able to use it first. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. That would be diabolical, wouldn't it? All right, sending the code over to you now. Remember, 50K Lucid Pro account. Thank you, Medi. You as well. Yeah, Coach Fred, I mean, it's just not popping. I mean, I try to make a case for the long, but it's just not working. The code for an Apex? Nah, that was for a 50K Lucid Pro account. Let's try that instead of a draw sometimes. Yeah. We could. We could. Tomorrow I am going to be giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account on my New York stream. That's the stream where I get the least amount of viewers. However, it is a stream that that's where most of my code users are. So if you want a chance to win a 150K Take Profit Trader account tomorrow, join me for my stream at 9:15 a.m. Yep. 9:15 to 11:15. We'll probably do the draw somewhere around 11. I'll be over on My Funded TV at 11:30 with Bull Barbie. So that's going to do it for me tonight, guys. Do appreciate all the likes and the subscribes. Appreciate you guys a lot. We will be back tomorrow 9:15 again. Tomorrow's Thursday, so we'll be streaming tomorrow night as well. And then we'll be calling it for the week on the evening stream. So do appreciate you guys watching. And we will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.